If you are choosing to use Cafoodle to cost your recipes, you will note that you're getting a total cost at the bottom of all your ingredients. This total cost for the recipe will pull down to the bottom of the screen into this field here. Also, the number of servings you've stipulated above will also automatically pull down for you. The software will then work out the cost per serving. If you choose to add a target gross profit percentage here, you'll be given a suggested selling price. You can add your actual price here and get some further information from the system, such as the actual gross profit percentage. If you wish to improve this information at the bottom, you could change your ingredients information at the top. For example, you may wish to remove an ingredient and bring in a cheaper alternative, or perhaps reduce the quantity that you are using of a given ingredient. If this reduces the total cost here, this will be reflected down the bottom and all the fields will be updated as appropriate. To fill in the rest of the recipe, you can simply follow the tabs and work your way through. Here in the Method tab, you are able to add step-by-step instructions on how to make the dish. Each step is simply a free type box in which you can type or copy and paste. You can even upload an image or a video. There are other optional fields, such as what to serve this dish in, garnish information, chef tips and front of house tips. We can house a basic HACCP inside the software, and if you have one of your own, you can send it to Cafoodle to be uploaded. However, we do have a generic HACCP here, which you can select, and this is UK compliant and covers areas such as fridge temperatures and hot display. Once you have finished creating your recipe, you will get this tab here, the recipe spec sheet. This is your one-stop shop, everything you need to know about this particular dish in one place. You can see the allergen information, any tags you may have added. You can also see the costs, and if this information is sensitive, you could choose to hide it. You'll also have the yield in terms of serving sizes and the number of servings in the batch. All of the ingredients that you need to use to make this dish, which supplier they're coming from, and the quantities required. You can also now see where the allergens within this dish are. At the top, you can see an overall picture, but now they are broken out by ingredient. You've also got the method that was added, and full nutritional information per 100 grams and per serving. The HACCP is also there and the image. If you wish to, this can be printed out directly from the software. At this point, you may choose to download it and email it to somebody instead. There is also a full audit trail on all recipes. Any change that is saved will feature here.